It's G-rated family gaming. Lots of clean fun for everyone.
Ready? Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
This is my nephew Sam, and we've got this Xbox over here that's been causing nothing but troubles, right? What should we do, Sam?
Break it open!
Don't you think we should destroy it?
Yep.
I know, right? Kill it with that. That's not gonna do the trick. What should we choose from our arsenal of destruction, Sam? You wanna do that first?
Yep.
Okay, go for it. Nice! Oh, that does a little bit of damage. That does a little bit of superficial damage to the outside. Wow, these Xboxes are actually pretty tough. What should we do next?
Axe.
Sam? The axe? You don't want to do the chainsaw or the flames? We'll do the... Okay, go for it here, Sam. Alright, people, don't try this at home. I'm going to use the chainsaw when we do the chainsaw. But you know how to use an axe, Sam. He's got safety goggles on. We've got safety goggles. He's okay. This kid's 12 years old. He is good to go. 11 years old. Do you want me to do it? Can you handle the axe?
Yep.
I was chopping wood with an axe when I was his age. Oh yeah. Oh, hold on. Let's move it. Come on, let's move this back a little bit.
Back?
Oh, is there a game in there? I don't think so. Wow, this thing is actually pretty. Can you believe how much it's? Can you believe it's survived with this one? All right, let's see how far we can go with this thing. Oh, nice. Whoa. Seriously? Come on, come on. Let's do this.
There's like steel in the middle.
Sam, watch out.
There's steel in the middle of it.
All right, boys. Let's,
Chainsaw!
Well, do you think it's chainsaw time? Because I cannot believe how well this handled the axe.
Chainsaw.
Should we, do you think dropping a brick on it's gonna do anything? Should we hit it up with the flamethrower first?
Yeah. Maybe that will melt it.
Not much of a flamethrower, but
Wait,
maybe we can...
Actually, don't actually.
You don't think so?
Not yet.
Oh, it really doesn't much... Oh, look at that! Oh!
That's a plastic.
It's more flammable than it looks, isn't it?
It's not as flammable, but...
Wow, look at that! Fire is the weakness!
Giving out black... Melt the iron in the middle.
The iron in the middle.
Yeah, the iron.
There's all the metal stuff on the inside. It doesn't do much. Come over here, Sam.
Chainsaw?
I don't know. I think you're right, man.
I don't think it's flame material as much.
Jeez, they built these things stuff. You want to drop the brick on it? Here.
Ah!
Here, let's drop this brick on it.
Hulk smash!
Oh,
That's a strong one!
that's a big brick, huh? These things are tough. It would be great if they actually lasted as long as they should.
Chainsaw time. Nope, chainsaw time. Get that chainsaw.
Alright, you have to make sure that you get back when I do the chainsaw activity.
Not yet. I'm back.
These Xboxes, original Xboxes, don't destroy as quickly and as easily as we would like. So, here we go.
Chainsaw.
Gotta plug this bad boy in. Are you sure that maybe, here, let me try once with this. Well, that's pretty nice.
You're tough at it, so.
I know.
Try one more.
One more? Should I destroy it one more? Look at that. Oh.
Wait, move. I want it. Where's the...
Oh. All right. Come on. Flamethrowers for adults only. I know, right?
Burn the inside.
Oh, yeah. We're in the inside. light it up.
Yep.
Well, let's
Wait,
light
let's
up
get-
the outside
wait.
first.
Do we have a bunch of paper inside?
What? Throw paper in there and
Yeah, where's some paper? Where's some paper?
light it up?
Yeah, where's some paper?
Should we?
Should I go get paper? Where's paper?
Hold on. Let's see what we can do organically just by destroying this thing. Look at the holes in the back. Look, we start adding. It loves that. Here we go. Ugh.
Gas in there.
Look at that. Get back.
Yeah, the gas in there.
Come here. Don't get upwind. Get over there, Sam. Over there. There you go, buddy.
No, the wind's getting
Right?
Wait,
Look at that.
flame it up and then you know
It likes the flame in the sides. Oh, don't flame up the rubber hammer.
I want it.
Good. You want to hit it with something? All right. Oh, nice. Oh, the cover's gone. Oh, there we go.
Oh, maybe we can take the
That's how it's
drives
done.
in there.
What?
We can get the drives in there.
Yeah. We've got the fire extinguisher right here, so we're in good shape.
Go get it. So you can get this fire.
Oh, don't put it on the.
Oops. Go get that fire extinguisher.
Here, we don't need an extinguisher for this. That's just plastic. Look at that. Look at how much that's holding. Should we chop it up with a
Look
chainsaw
over
while
here.
it's on
Wait,
fire?
look at this. It's like burnt. It has a tiny. Hang on, fire.
Should we chop it up with a chainsaw while it's on fire?
Yeah.
All right. Sam's gonna take his last hits to it. Take your last hits to it, Sam. Oh yeah. Oh. Nice. Ow. That is how you destroy it. I think you got a layer off it. Hold on. Stop. Ready? You got one layer off.
We got 2 layers off, actually.
The rest of it's still burning, ready to go.
No!
No!
Kinda cut it up.
All right, get back. You gotta put your goggles down, Sam.
Good.
Okay. I don't want you. All right, get back. That's how you cut a red Not really. Dude, Sam, the chainsaw doesn't do anything. Metal. Nope, I think that we have to just destroy it with that. Yeah! Do it, Sam, do it! Show them how it's done.
Yeah, it's actually. No,
Boom.
you used to actually do this sledgehammer.
Here. Up here, you hit, I hit. You hit, I hit. Ready? You hit, I hit. You hit, I hit.
Oh wait, look! It's
All right,
coming out
hold on.
that
All right,
part.
get on this side.
Yeah.
Let's get upwind.
It's busted out. Look.
All right, ready?
You gotta take it out.
All right, this is how Xbox is destroyed. Don't get right too much in front of the camera. Ready? All right, you get on that side.
You use the axe.
I use the axe. Do you want to use this or
I
something
know
else?
what I'm gonna.
Stay downwind. Ready? Pitchfork
Wait,
time.
I'm taking this out. You took
There
it
we
out
go.
first.
Here we go. Check this out.
You got a little drive.
Nice. All right.
Oh!
Show us how it's done. Oh. Oh. That's how we destroy an Xbox.
And here's what's inside. Ooh, there's a little chicken.
There's all sorts of chips heat sink. I probably could have made better use of that heat sink, actually.
Use it.
Heat sinks are nice.
Where's the heat
It's over.
So where is it?
That little thing right there, that big metal thing.
You can still use it.
Nah, we've already bent all
Do it.
the prongs. It's all good. Are you? No. Hey.
Yeah.
You hold the camera. You can hold the camera.
Okay, I'll hold the camera.
All right. I'll do some.
Flame action in this?
Okay, so it seems that the weakness is fire.
And
doesn't-
the axe.
The axe with a lot of power.
Chainsaw.
The chainsaw, well, that's the thing, is you're just using a chainsaw up against metal parts. So with the
Do you
chainsaw
have
up against
better-
metal,
He has better chainsaw parts.
better chainsaw parts, like a better
I'll
like
keep
chainsaw
filming and I'll
case.
start hitting it. You go and get
The other chainsaw, oh, the hand chainsaw.
yeah.
Okay, I can get that.
Yeah, go get that.
You think that's gonna make a difference? Do you want to hit? You want to try to saw away at it?
You do that while.
Oh no! I'm not giving you that. All right, stay away from the smoke and the flames. I'm gonna go get the hand chainsaw.
Okay, I'll keep beating this to bits. So. Okay. Keep hitting it until it's out. Let's see if we can do any damage. Oh, oops. Ah! Oh. Oh no. Oh.
All right, that one's over. It's all good.
Hey, go get some marshmallows. Or something.
Ew, those will be gross marshmallows. Here we go.
Cause it's metal.
Look, it's grinding up against. You want to try it? Nice.
Beat the power.
You want to try some of this? All right, get back. I'm going to destroy it once and for all with this thing. All right, we're done. We're done messing around with this bad boy. We're ready to do it in for good. We're ready to put it up. Push it. You want that? All right, ready?
I want to take the
Oh, look at the main board. Oh, it's cutting up. Boom. Look at that. Boom. Oh, look at that.
Oh, you put out the flames.
Right? Now that is officially.
Nope, you're not done yet.
You don't think so?
Nope, got that.
Really? You don't think
Never-
that's officially destroyed?
You have not beat the system yet.
I have not.
Yeah,
The-
you still have to get that power system.
Which? With a. I can't even. Do that. Oh. Look at that. That's It's done.
Oh my
Is that? Do you think that's officially destroyed?
god. Yep, that's destroyed.
All right, let's. All right, come here. Hold on, leave it. Let's look at the
Oh, that's all.
destruction.
Well, that's what's inside an Xbox fully.
Well, that is what you find inside of an Xbox that doesn't work. I'm not sure if an Xbox that does work provides anything better, and I got a decent workout out of it too. Sam's having a hard time. Hey, keep the safety goggles on. Safety goggles. You don't want stuff flying in your face. And Sam, we're gonna have a bit of work trying to get the axe out of there.
No, actually, out. It's hot.
Is it a little hot?
Still hot. Still hot from the flames.
That is how you destroy an Xbox. Oh, there you
That
go.
says it.
Nice.
This is how you beat the rest of it.
Oh, get it, Sam. Get it. Get her. Get him done.
Yes.
Good, hard-working young man. Work ethic. That's important. All right, hold on. Let's take a last picture.
Last picture? Oh, I hit my foot. Yeah. Oh, God.
I think that's. Hold on. All right, go for it. Go for it. I just didn't want to get hit. Oh. Boom. All right, should we throw this all in a plastic bag and throw it away? Because I don't think it's gonna play any more games for us.
Nope.
Do you think we should? Do you think we should try the original Halo? Put it in there and see if it works.
It won't.
You don't think it'll work?
The system's right there.
Are you sure? Are you
Yeah.
sure? You don't think it'll work?
Wait, actually, why don't we just like take the chips, hook it up to that, fix it up, and just plug it into a TV?
Okay. This is definitely a challenge for any electrical engineer. Let's try to repair this guy.
I don't think we're gonna do that.
$1 million to anybody who could actually put this together and fix it. And good luck finding it because it's going to be in a landfill.
And by the way, put comments down below of what should we do with the next Xbox we have that doesn't work either.
Exactly. We've got what? We've got one Xbox and one PlayStation. And
Well,
neither
PlayStation.
of them are really acting the way they should. So I think we should destroy them.
So put your comments down below for what we should do to them.
Exactly. Should we say thank you everybody for watching?
Yep. Thank you guys for watching.
After we destroy a little bit more of this Xbox. Nice.